YouTube, we are back with another exciting episode of Football Critics. Namhlanje ngiphethe iSkarango Wese the Black Jesus, Black Cheesy. How are you, my brother?
Nah, stand up, man.
Ngimnandi, mara ngimnandi.
Sure.
Ngimnandi.
Sure.
Ngimnandi. So, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3.
What do you expect, man?
How did you see the game?
There's nothing new here. It's back to the Kaizer Chiefs we know. We're going back to the Kaizer Chiefs we know. At least my izinto sezihamba kahle sesiyazi ukuthi kuyenzakala. And shatu qala khabo makoti mfethu. Don't count amaqanda nyana nje ayi3 4 nyana no.
Yeah.
I.
So, more analyze the game. Ungasho ukuthi like where did the coach get it wrong or the players with Kaizer Chiefs?
It's not all about the coach, it's the whole Kaizer Chiefs young as a whole. Me, I don't understand what's going there. It starts from the dressing room, from your team. You have, as a coach, you have to create a bond with your players. Understand I'm a player wako. Just make sure that everything, like, yonke into right for ngathini. I'm a player wako, yabo. It's like this, not that. Masama player, ne, slalili team. Akumela ngasibe ama player nje sita sizemsebenzini. No. Let's create a bond, yabona. After gym, let's just go out, get some drinks, nyana, see somewhere, just to keep ourselves. Yabona, let's create a bond. So ngiyazi ukuthi fine, we live une personality nje. So ngiyazi ukuthi okay, we live football play, ufuna ukuthi ibhola njalo ihlezi lisenyaweni zakhe. We live akathanda ukumakha. We live uthanda ukumakha akwazi ukudlala. So I know it must be a game ini. I have to ngenzeni compromise to ama weakness wakho ngiyawazi awuyengwazi ichimini kuphela because ichimini lapha yasicompete ukuyenzani isicompete line up.
So are you saying Kaizer Chiefs players are playing like they don't bond off the field?
They don't understand each other.
Why are you saying that?
They don't understand each other.
What are you seeing for you to say that?
For me, okay, I'm gonna make just like example, I'm a player too. Umthetho Frost, like come on man. You have players njengabo abundlovu guy.
Yeah.
And then umdlalise nomthetho. In order to booster confidence ga Ndlovu.
Yeah.
Mele na umthetho yabona asiphe something mfethu just ukumakha usebenzele nganix yazi lokho. Yeah. Ngawina game ama midfielder maybe attacker i10 ni defender li1.
Yeah.
Into counter yamagoli 3 point iphuma kumagoli. Singaba ama defender sonke simakhi season yonke siphume sina 38 points sa relegate aswina.
Yeah.
So ama player njengabo umthetho ebisazodlala season yonke uzobona.
Mawubheka umthetho like kunjani as a player? Like do you prefer him on your team or
my team? I don't even ngicanga ukuthi maybe mina yohlala nama-fan as ama-cabbage or something just to cheer. It's not a player out here mfethu asisebenzele ukumakha kuphela kumele umakhe
sibongisele imithetho. The same guy ocishe Sundowns.
It's okay lapho maybe buyilanga lakhe but then I know for me mthetho off angifuni nasethimini yami angifuni ukumbona mina if mina bengi-fan Kaizer Chiefs bengiyemvuma umthetho adlale nathi. I don't want him to play in the team. Ayikho into akasinikeza yona. Just imagine bafaka ucele manje. There is some promising touches going forward. You as a coach, you have to look at things like this. Okay. Noma okay ngathini.
But like mawuyibheka I think like ngathini Kaizer Chiefs performance yayo the last 15 minutes was better than the first half.
Yeah, throughout the game.
Don't you wonder why coach aqalise ama key play benchini like umdu uqale benchini, cele bench, who else? Mfundo bench, Matlo bench. Those were game changing players like uqele bench like it makes sense that day.
For the coach it does because for yena unama player wakhe afuna dlalele system le akayifuna yabo.
Yeah, me I have a problem with Frostler playing for Kaizer Chiefs like I'm fit.
There's a lot, man. I think
he's a good player, but not for Kaizer Chiefs. maybe siwelele le Orbit College Magesi angazi Frosla.
Yeah, it's true, but hey, coach unelihlo lakhe yabo. Every coach has an eye for himself. Unabi, I want to tell you something about him. How many players did Kaizer Chiefs sign this season?
Munyane, Marco, Flavio, Mayo, Modric. Ubani?
I think it's something like 8 or 9 players.
Yeah.
Me ngachela ukuthi maybe
Silva.
yeah, idea E1.
Yeah.
La kavume maybe la kashilo khona ukuthi I want that player.
Yeah.
Maybe it's that ubani striker sing Chivaviro 2.0 and 2.2. I don't know which one Kamala.
Double Ronaldo.
Yeah, 77.
77.
Yeah, maybe I'm not sure good. That's the player I want in my team to play my system. And then the rest, cause I'm a free agent, you're just picking up the squad.
Yeah.
Boss. So bona pambili satata salaishi paslaishi. So bona pambili.
So how do you think Kaizer Chiefs could fit going into the next game?
It's a very, very huge job. There's a lot of things they need to fix there. First of all, they played 4 games. Very good. 4
Clean sheets.
Wins.
5 games.
And there were 5 games there. We're winning. We're getting our points. And then you come and then you change against the team that beat Orlando Pirates. You beat a team that's giving Mamelodi Sundowns a very hard time. You come, you change. I think 6 or 7 players from the squad. Let's basically win wonke lama KMI 5. Come on.
Yeah, Nami, I think personally that's where Coach Nabi got it wrong. Like,
yeah,
change his starting lineup to the previous game. Upule Modi wasn't playing in the previous first 4 games. If we again.
Yeah.
Next thing, Bam Kalisa.
Okay,
Tuba is missing. Du is missing. Pele is missing. Like how? Okay, Munyani is also an injury. It's understandable. But like, Kwinika has had good games. Eden Magaboya Winja say Puma nje pen Kwinika scheme.
So hey, it's system ga coach.
What system is Kaizer Chiefs playing though? Like,
I don't know. They don't start the ball from the back. The midfield, I don't know. They don't break any windows. They're not playing route 1. They're trying to play crosses. It's not working. I'm not playing A. I'm not playing B. So they're just playing for the sake of playing. As long as we just get a point, guys. Sachima.
Like, this is the same team that has 4 wins out of their first 4 matches and 1 draw against Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
This is their first lose of the season. It's not that bad if you're asking me.
Trust me, it's gonna get worse. Now it's gonna get worse.
Yeah. Who had the worst game according to your eye?
For me, okay, Paseka Mago had a very tough time. I'm killed. And then Tet was very off. I didn't see him. I'm going on go to corner. Frosla, it's bad, man. And then, okay, to be honest, I get commuting in Bonnie, La Paya Kaizer Chiefs, Zubiani came bad or better than anyone. Won't be fun. Maybe go just a few touches, but then everything was off.
Yeah.
From the get-go, everything was off. So we don't know where the problem starts. Is it the coach? Is it the players? Or is it the management? Or my chairman? We don't know.
Yeah.
But then for me, Kaizer Chiefs needs to work very, very hard, man.
Yeah, we also have to give it up to Skukune. Great game, honestly. Front 3, Khobla, Mamala, Magala, exceptional game. Midfield, Munare, great game, eh?
Yeah, going there to Skukune,
Yeah.
those guys had a very good combinations now. If they're going forward, they know, okay, we pass here, Sali. You can't just pass ball, Konama player ball, pass ball,
Good Chiefs.
yeah. Pass ball, Funalo Munya Yenzi plan. Immediately, Kaizer Chiefs win the ball. Instead of him, he's supposed to go run into the space. He does not run into the space. He comes, and then he just runs behind the opponent for good bang pass. Imagine it's -1.
Eish.
He gets the ball, see move, jab. And like la umuntu esidwele phezulu kwakhe ithi umthethwa. And then this other centre back,
Miguel.
No, Miguel was alright. He's alright. He tried, he played. And then Miketi, bro.
Okay, do you think that was a penalty, that moment for Miguel?
If not be honest,
Yeah.
that was a straight penalty. That one was a straight penalty. La Payana, you can't awukhona ukumakhumuntu from a move. Nyera hamba yokora. Sibone ukuthi senza kanjani.
Nokuthi
okay, Nyambamba my okay, cause the penalty ne, granny yellow card to red, and then he gets a second yellow red card. So we down one player, and then they score a penalty. It's 4-1, and then we down one player. Now it's my player 10.
Yeah, marabai bizanga. So you lack work.
What if they called it? What if by
What if
this?
doesn't work? What if we had won?
Come on, Kaizer Chiefs, let's cool man. What if we won? Hey, Fitz, that was fun.
Thank you guys for watching. Till the next episode, magdala manga team asesowethu angekho mnandi.
Okay, yeah, matata sakho buyela team inkulu idlala iCAF Saturday, ne. Yeah, so let's be prepared, eh.
The team ePatali League.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Till the next Totwat. We out. Hey.
Chill.
Aye.